Hello everyone! Recently we repaired an engine of Caterpillar C15. Now we are reinstalling the cylinder head. The cylinder head bolts are tightened in 2 steps. The first step is 270 Newton meters, the second step is 450 Newton meters. We also cross-tighten the cylinder head bolts from the middle to the sides in sequence. We repair high horsepower and construction machinery engines. The torque value of these bolts is relatively high. We use Sedais's 9642 with a torque range from 160 to 800 Newton meters. For colleagues in need, you can place an order in the yellow car below the video. When tightening the cylinder head bolts, be sure to mark properly like a baby to avoid missing any. Next, let's discuss a few points to note when using the torque wrench. First, when the set torque value has been reached and the torque wrench makes a clicking sound, do not further increase the force, as it can damage the wrench. Another important point to mention is that when we tighten the screw, it is crucial to ensure that the key wrench and the screw are perpendicular.